Well, in this case, this network says, hold up a minute. So what we take a look at is when a user or supplicant first joins the network, when that link comes up, the authenticator is typically going to query it and say, hey, who goes there? And this is what we call EAP. You'll also see this abbreviated as EAP over LAN. And what we're doing is we're basically authenticating to the network. We're telling them who we are before we go any further. So normally we attach to a network. You might do something like, first we do a DHCP request. And we pull an address, and then once we've got our address, we do a DNS lookup, and we just start patching things right away. Well, in this case, this network says, hold up a minute, who are you? And then once we know who you are, we'll decide what it is that you're allowed to do. So we can do this just for authentication, and we can say, okay, well, we'll assign network policies, network permissions based on who you are. Or if we wanted to do it a little bit more intelligently, we could take a look at your security posture or health status. And we can say, okay, how's your antivirus doing? Do you have your firewall on? Is your Windows or OS X operating system, is that patched and is that up to date? And if it isn't, we can give you a different policy. We can say, okay, well, let's maybe not put you in general population right now. There could be some type of malware that's circulating that could impact you because you haven't been patched. So we'll place you, for the moment, into a quarantine VLAN. In that quarantine VLAN, you can go ahead and get updated, get you patched. Once we know that you're patched, we can perform something called change of authorization or COA to get you back into the normal network